how to become a data analyst without any prior experience or education. As we all know, data analysis is a high-demand tech skill. To become a data analyst, you should have practical experience on Python and SQL, including how to work on data profiling, data modeling, ETL, data visualization, and reporting. Institute of IT Training is providing a comprehensive data analysis bootcamp training from basics with real-time projects that can help you find an entry-level, remote, or hybrid job in Canada or USA. This program includes complete 2 months training, resume with projects experience, interview preparations, and job placement assistance. Join us and change your career to data analysis role and earn potential the package of $78,000 per year. Institute of IT Training is Canada's top tech training provider with over 10+ years of experience. Call us and enroll for a demo session with the coach.